So flying around here, wing on wing again. It's quite gusty, hence the first reef in the main and a fair bit of the headsail rolled away. Could probably roll out more headsail, but it's kind of floppy and not behaving itself. It behaves slightly better when it's rolled away a bit. Slate grey day, just south of Arklow at the moment, heading down towards Rosslare. So these are some of the banks south of Arklow before Kilmore Point. The sea state is kicking up a nice few waves off them. So after stemming the tide all morning, the tide has turned and we're now going 7 knots with about a knot of current behind us. It's also nice and fresh. So yeah, flying along. The general situation, we're passing Rosslare now. You can see the end of the harbour wall over there. That's Kilmore Point, those windmills in the distance there, and Tuskar Rock lighthouse offshore. And we're passing between Tuskar and Kilmore. Yeah, so we're absolutely flying along now. Hopefully we'll be in by about 8:30 to Kilmore Quay. A bit like a washing machine around here at the minute. It's a washing machine that's driving us on at a great speed. There's 10, yay! 10 again. Very good. So if it wasn't such a sunny day, it would probably influence how I'm feeling about this wind, which is brisk enough. It's about 20 knots there now, but it was gusting up to 25 a minute ago. Enough to make me think about another reef in the main. Again, the fact that we're well downwind kind of makes you feel like it's not as strong as it actually is. I have thrown another turn or two into the headsail, and I would anticipate we'll be around Kilmore in the next maybe hour, which it should calm down significantly once we're in the lee of Kilmore Point. There's Tuskar Rock off there as a Irish ferry coming in. By the lee at the minute. I am going to have to jibe, I'm sure, in a few minutes. Wind's down to 17 knots and everything feels calmer on this side of Kilmore Point, which is great. Saw a mackerel jumping out of the water, which means it's might be time to throw a line in and see see if we're in a run of them. I never have much luck fishing anywhere except the west coast, so it seems pretty unlikely, but who knows. It sort of seems like a good place for fish. It's got these rocky rocks over here. It's a shallow patch off those that I'm keeping an eye on, but seem to be well clear. It's about 22 meters of water. I mean, if it wasn't for that guy jumping, I wouldn't have really thought there was much chance around here, but there are a lot of lobster pots, which probably means it's a rocky bottom and possibly interesting for fish.